Who are you and why are you so screaming? You are fighting without any reason for me. I am one.
You have to perform a dual role play. It means you are alone. आप एक व्यक्ति होंगे, लेकिन आपको ऐसे कॉन्वर्सेशन करना है स्टेज पे आके जैसे आप एक नहीं दो हैं. So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Oh, let's see. I would like to call somebody on the stage.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I am telling about my dream which I saw yesterday and I met with God. So this is a short story and God taught me few good things and I want to share with you all. So shall I start?
Yes.
Okay. So this side will be me and other side will God, and I am sleeping and God will try to wake up. Son, son, get up, son. Who are you and why are you so screaming? But wait, why are you glowing so much? Son, I am God. I know you would not believe it. You are God? I don't think so. And how can I believe it? Wait a minute. Oh my God, you are really God. You have changed yourself in Lord Rama, Lord Krishna, Allah, Vaheguru and Jesus. Yes, son, I am God. Oh, thank you, God. I am so glad you are in front of me. Oh no, I know this. You are one and we are fighting with each other about you. And we just made your name and identity different only. Yes, son, you are fighting without any reason for me. I am one and you don't need to search outside. I am in everyone's heart. You should need in yourself. Okay, God. Thank you, God. God, I know you have lots of power, so you don't control the crimes and sins in the world. Son, everyone has their own karmas. So as you sow, shall you reap. So don't think about others. You should control your karmas. Okay, God, I understood it. I will control my karmas and I will try to do it in my best way. Very good, son. I am here to taught you something like this. Thank you, God. God, I have a problem. Could you please arrange me a job? No, son. I will not arrange any job for you. I don't know why everyone rely on me. I think everyone should work hard and trying as possible for achieve what they want. But in the world, everyone is relying on me that God will do everything for us. Oh, right, God, I am really sorry. I was also relying for you, but now I will try my hard and I will find job for me. Very good, son. So, son, I need to go now. No, God, please don't leave me. God, please don't leave me. And now God hands invisible and my mother called me. Nitin, wake up. You are getting late for your office. What the hell, mom? Where is God? Son, I am your God. Wake up and get ready now. So, thank you so much, guys. So the moral of the story that we need to work hard for us. God will just can help in our endeavor, and God is one. Don't fight for Rama, Hindu, Muslim and everything. God is one. And this was the moral of the story. Thank you.